Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. There are a lot of things I can fix, but stupid isn't one of them. First, you run a red light. Second, you do it at high speed. Sometimes, I guess you just gotta turn whenever you want. This driver flies past me in the far left lane, cuts me off to make their exit, and then gives me the finger for my trouble. Nearly got sideswiped by a crazy van driver who decided not to exit the freeway at the last minute. These motorbike riders doing wheelies without their lights on zoom by and almost hit me. I've seen plenty of impatient drivers, but this is on another level. This driver can't decide which entrance is best for him. I bet a lot of drivers are regretting being in their cars after seeing this rider zooming smoothly through traffic. Had this lovely encounter yesterday. Leave a comment about how adorable the voice of this little girl is.
Whoa, Jesus! That car almost hit me.
Help me read the license plates, please. This is why I keep a safe distance from trucks, especially I guess Gramps was in a rush to leave the community center. Today, I almost had a heart attack twice.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Both those people almost just killed us. You have all that on Dashcam.
Yeah.
Y'all weren't impressed the last time someone pointed the wrong direction in my lane. Luckily for me, it happened again.
Hell.
I was an idiot too, thinking they'd stay in their chosen lane. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.